How to fix your PowerShell popping up randomly on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your PowerShell popping up randomly on your Windows. So let's get started. First, what you'll have to do is open up your Task Manager. You can go to your taskbar and right click on it and open Task Manager. Now, after you open it up, you will see Startup option here. Go to Startups, and right there, if you see something like Terminal or your PowerShell, simply right click on it and then disable it. After you tap on Disable, you are basically done and you can close this off. After that, open Services, and after you open Services, you will need to find something called Windows Update. Now, all of these is arranged in alphabetical order, so you can find it pretty easily. So search for Windows Update, it's right here. Double click on it and then you will see this. Now you can go to Recovery, Properties, Dependencies, whichever you want, and go to Startup Type. After you find Startup Type, simply disable it, tap on Apply and tap on OK. After you all of that, you can simply close this off. Now what you need to do is again search for Windows. Let me search it again. Windows Features. After you search for Windows Feature, let it load and you will need to find something called PowerShell. Now if you scroll down, you'll see PowerShell 2.0. Unselect this and tap on OK. Now after you do that, just simply restart your computer and you're basically good to go, and your PowerShell won't be popping up anytime soon. So yeah, that is all for today guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to App Hacks, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Bye bye, take care.